flying cars. Everything looks so different in the future. I wonder what year this is. Holy moly, pepperoni.